Today we're going to be focusing on old habits and new habits, getting the new habits to replace the old habits. And how do we get there? It is a difficult task, but consistency is what's going to get you there. Each time that you bring on a new habit, you're replacing an old habit. And the more times that we repeat that good habit, that old habit is going to be faded away, because you have now created a neural response of your body to consistently do that new habit. And usually with that new habit, you get benefits from it. And that benefit is going to motivate you by continuing that new habit. Where I find that people go wrong is where they overstack habits too closely together. And if you're trying to reach everything at once, it becomes very difficult, very overwhelming, and we usually give up quicker than we want to. What I want you to focus on today is I want you to focus on striving for one habit that is holding you back and what you can replace it with, and consistently target that every single day. If you can stack on another habit in the next 2 days, that's great. But if you can and you're not that type of person, it's okay. Move on and just work on that one habit. Because if you think about your goals and you think about how long you want to live another 20 years or more, look at all that time frame that you have to build upon creating good habits and replacing the old habits. So stop being in such a hurry to get to your ultimate goal. Slower is usually better because it lasts longer. Make that happen daily, but only when you're consistent and keep practicing. So today's assignment is I want you to bad habit or your habit that is holding you back towards the life that you want to live or the body that you want to live in, either or.